Okay, go. Woo! You silly boy. We just picked Hiram up from school, so now he's out joining in the fun. Emmy's turn.
Hold on.
Getting all out.
That was awesome. Okay, Emmy.
He's quite the monkey in the tree.
It's fine. There's so much room. Thank you have the leaf.
Oh, yay, Emmy! They love being like Hiram. Let's see if he'll do it the same way. Yeah.
Yeah, not very long though.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do something really rich.
Okay, let's see ya.
Whoa. Here, don't move.